Welcome back to our newest listing at the Gateway Grand, a 4-bedroom ocean view property.
Let's go take a tour.
Style C floor plan is one of the largest in the building, featuring a wide open living room and dining room.
This coastal kitchen has upgraded appliances and a new tile backsplash. One of my favorite features of this floor plan is that every bedroom has access to this second balcony. Thanks for taking a video tour of our newest listing today.
For more information on this or any of our properties, visit us at ocgatewaygrand.com.